Nikon Snapbridge, does it really work?
Now, a lot of people tell me that they're still having difficulty getting images off their Nikon camera via the Snapbridge app on their phone. So I'm going to take a picture of those tomatoes there. I'm going to switch the camera look onto video mode so that it doesn't go to sleep. And I'm going to grab my phone there, or Face ID. Don't forget Face ID. Open it up. Right, okay. I'm going to go to settings and go to Wi-Fi. And on the phone, look, I'm going to enable Wi-Fi there. And searching on my phone's Wi-Fi, and there it is. Look, Nikon Z6. Press that, wait for the little blue tick, and move over to Snapbridge. There you are. And go to download photos. Just one click, whirring around. There are the pictures. Look, there you go. Click on one. Download image, the original image, not the small one. And the world goes around, and 32 seconds, 35 seconds, stop the clock. 35 seconds to download an image there. Let's have a look, it's in photos, is it? There it is, the last picture that I took. 35 seconds to download an image.
So yeah, Snapbridge works.